Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the John Deere boot. Okay, well, it's simply by going and doing a slip knot on the hook. Now for this illustration, the hook is size I, which is 5.5 millimeter. I simply have gold and also a bright green, which is basically almost like a neon. We'll simply do a chain 8. After that chain 8, we'll go ahead and we'll do a single crochet starting in the second chain from the hook, and proceed by doing a single crochet in 2 stitches after that. Then in the 4th chain, we'll do a half double crochet, followed by, after that, we'll do a half double crochet in the next 2, and then in that last stitch we'll do a total of 7 half double crochets altogether. Okay, now we'll work on the other side by simply doing a half double crochet in the first 3 stitches, and then doing single crochet in the following 3 stitches. If you're not already a subscriber, I would really appreciate your support. And by the way, thank you every single one of you that has been supporting me for this past year and a half now. I greatly appreciate it. And please give me a thumbs up if I didn't already say so. I'm doing shout outs, so if you want, go ahead and either write a really sweet comment down below or take a screenshot and share it on your story on Instagram or on Facebook. Be sure to tag me in it, and I will be sure to do a shout out either of your company name or yourself. We'll do a slip stitch in that first single crochet. Okay, in the next round we'll go ahead and we'll do a chain 1, and we'll do a 2 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. I don't know about y'all, but I really love Thanksgiving. I'm so happy this time of year. I love making pies and cakes and desserts and fudge and all kinds of good stuff. I don't know about you, but that's what I like doing. Alright, we'll simply go ahead and we'll do a single crochet in the next 5 stitches. And then after that we'll do, in the following 4 stitches, we'll do 2 single crochets in each. Okay, now we're going to do our 2 single crochets in the next 4 stitches. And then after that, we'll do a single crochet in the remainder of the round. Okay, and I will see you at the end of the round. Okay, we're at the end of the round. We'll go ahead and we'll do the slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now if you need a total of how many stitches there were to crochet here, it was a total of 6 to finish up that round, in case you need to know that. Okay, we'll go ahead and do a chain 1, and now we're going to repeat this pattern by doing 2 single crochets in the first stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next, okay, next we'll do a single crochet in the next 9 stitches. Okay, this is the 9th stitch. Next we will proceed and do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following, 2 single crochets in the next stitch after that. One in the next, and then 2 single crochets in the next, and then we'll do a single crochet in the next 8 stitches, and then in that last one we'll do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, as you can see here, the sole is starting to develop. Right now we are ending up at 3 inches right now, which basically could be probably a preemie baby, or maybe a newborn, depending on the shape of the child's foot. But for Crafty on Console, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's 3.5 for a sole for a newborn. It's an average size for a newborn foot. Now for a 1-year-old, it is 4 3/4 inch, which is basically what we're going for right now. Okay, for the next round, we'll go ahead and do a chain 1 in that first part here. I know a chain 2 would be what you would be counting, but we don't want the chain 2 down this end, because on this end it's going to be a half double crochet. So in that first stitch we'll go ahead and we'll do a double, in other words 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, if I can talk correctly. Then a half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then in the following stitch we'll do 2 half double crochets. Half double crochet in the next stitch. And then a single crochet in the next. Okay, and we'll do a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Subscribe. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Half double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, and then another half double crochet. Now the next stitch we're going to do a 2 double crochets, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, two double crochets in the next, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, two double crochets in the following stitch, then it's half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, now it's going to be a single crochet for the remaining of the stitches up until the last one just before the first single crochet that we did in the beginning there, or actually it was a half double crochet, I'm sorry. Those 2 half double crochets in that beginning. Anyways, we'll do, out of the one, we'll do a slip stitch on the top there. Okay, after we do that slip stitch in that beginning chain there, we'll go ahead and do a chain 1. Okay, next we'll go ahead and do a 2 single crochets in that first stitch, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, two single crochets in the next, okay, next we'll do a single crochet in the next 12 stitches. Okay, in the next stitch we'll do 2 single crochets, a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, two single crochets in the next, a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, two single crochets in the next, followed by the remaining of the stitches. We'll do a single crochet in each, and at the top over here we'll go ahead and connect it by a slip stitch. Okay, as you can see, it's 4 3/4 length for the sole. Okay, stay tuned for the next video in order to be able to do the sides and the top. Alright, we'll see you soon.